we're going to use the properties of parallelograms in a coordinate plane. They've given me 4 points, which I went ahead and graphed, and I can see the parallelogram. And I do remember that one of the 4 properties that we've studied so far of the parallelogram is that the diagonals bisect each other. And this question is asking me, find the coordinates of the intersection of the diagonals. So I'm looking for this point. Now I'd like to go ahead and get my head where I think it is, just so that when I do it with algebra, it sounds like it's reasonable. It looks to me like it's at 1, 2, 3 and a half up 1, 2. It looks like it's about 3 and a half, 2. So if I don't get something pretty close to that, then I know that I've made a mistake somewhere. The midpoint formula from earlier is add the x's divided by 2, add the y's divided by 2. And here's my template. So I can either find the midpoint of OM or LN. If I find OM, I'm going to have easier math because one of the ordered pairs is 0, 0. So I think I want to use the O and the M. I'll call this X1, Y1, and I'll call this one X2, Y2. Label it if you need to. You may not have to. All right, so for the X's, I'm using 7 and 0. And for the Y's, I'm using 4 and 0. So basically what I have is 7 over 2 and 4 over 2. And that 7 over 2, 2 goes into 7 3.5 times, or 3.5. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 3.5 over 2. Now they may not show it as 3.5. They may show it as, let's make this improper. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 2. 2. So you could see it written any one of these 3 ways. And we said 3.5, 2, didn't we? So it does seem reasonable.